Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you're watching Step Ladder. And in this video we will be seeing the exact and the deepest meaning of the song Enjoy Injami by D and Arivu. And this song is produced by Santosh Narayanan, and I hope that you all are fine and good. Guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel right now so that you will receive all the informative videos and notifications that I will be uploading in my channel. And guys, let's start the video. And before that, I want to talk much about this Enjoy Injami song. So this song recently has reached up to 132 million views on YouTube, and this video song is uploaded in a YouTube channel named Maja, so you can watch out this song in that channel. Okay guys, so let's start the video and let me play the song first. As you can see in this song, that this music started with the instrument called as parai. So this parai is one of the ancient and the oldest instrument used by the Tamils in Tamil Nadu. As you can see from the video that the people are using the drum like stuff. So that stuff is called as parai, with which they are making the sound, and the women are making the sound called as kolava. So kolava is a sound used especially by the women or the ladies in the South Indian ceremonies or functions like marriage and other kind of ceremonies, and it's one of the ancient type of sound also used by the Tamils in Tamil Nadu. And here you can see that this song starts with the lyric Odia Odia, which symbolizes us that how the elder people or the grandparents call their grandchildren to come fast or to run faster. With happiness and joy, the grandparents are calling their grandchildren. So this is what this Odia Odia symbolizes in this lyric. So here you can see in these lyrics, they are strongly mentioning us about the beauty of the nature, all the animals, birds and insects. So this song completely and strongly mentions us that it impacts that about the importance of the nature, and this song gives us that this soil, the land and the earth all belongs to all the living creatures and beings, and this land is common for all of us, not only for humans, it's common for all the animals, birds, insects and other creatures. These lyrics describes us. The main motive of this lyric here is that it depicts us that our ancestors had given us a wonderful place to live and enjoy, and we all must live together with happiness and enjoy the life what we live. And here in these lyrics, they mention us that our ancestor gave us a wonderful place to live, and we have to live with joy, and we have to protect our nature so that we can give a better place for our future generations to live. And in these lyrics we can understand and it is mentioned strongly that the lake, river, and all other places are common for even dogs, animals, fox, and all the living creatures, and not only for humans. All the place is common for all the living creatures, and our ancestors left us with a beautiful place to live with joy and happiness, and our ancestors lived with joy by dancing and singing over the fire. And these places are also very common to all the living creatures. So this is what these lyrics strongly mention. And in these lyrics, enjoy Enjami, which symbolizes that in Tamil Nadu, the Tamil people, mostly the grandparents, they call their grandchildren with this word Enjami, which means they are calling their grandchildren with happiness. The following lyrics describes us that we all should live together with unity, and we should protect our nature, that is the mountains, lakes, ponds and rivers, so that there will be no problem like global warming and all other climatic issues and so on. And here also you can hear that the women are again, they are making the sound of the kolava, right? And here also they are mentioning that if we keep our nature protected all the time, we can give a better place for our future generations to live with happiness and joy. And this also will help us to get and receive more rain. And as you can see in these lyrics from the video, they are clearly mentioning about us that on the basis of civilization, we humans are just destroying all the mountains, lakes, rivers, forests, ponds and etc. And we have nothing to give for our future generation. And we are making our environment an unsustainable place to survive. And the tribes, our ancestors, kept the environment a safer place to live. And this land has emerged only by these protected stuff that our ancestors, tribes and all, they protected the environment. So here Enjami means my Lord, oh Lord. So this is the actual meaning of Enjami. So here they are mentioning that our tribes and our ancestors, they kept our environment very safe and they protected all the resources, so that we our generation can live happily and we can enjoy our life. And this earth, this land has emerged only by the spit food of the birds that changed this place into forest, country and at last the house we live. here they are telling us that why you are sad. What's your issue? Why you people are always sad and depressed, and you all people are just running towards money? Why we all are just worried always? They are saying that our grandparents, great grandparents and ancestors had left us with lots of trees, plants and great place for us to live and survive. And why we should all be worried? So we should all be happy and enjoy our life. This is the meaning over here in these lyrics. And here they are giving us a strong and a beautiful message that we all should live together with unity. We have to protect our nature because we are the only living creature who can protect the nature, and so that we can give a beautiful place to live for our future generation. And this song mainly describes us that we should protect our nature. We must, and that's our duty to protect the nature, so that we can give a better place for our future generation to live. And the land, soil and each and every place is common. It belongs to each and every living creature. It can be animal, it can be a bird, or it can be any insect also. So we are not only humans, they have the rights to live in the land. All the animals and other creatures have the rights to live in the land, and we all must live together with unity, and we must protect our nature. So this is the strong and the beautiful message of this song, and I hope that this video was really very interesting, and this song really had a big and very good beautiful message and a strong message. And I hope that you all understood the exact and the deepest meaning of this song, Enjoy Njami. And I hope that this video was very interesting and nice to watch. If so, please like my video. Please comment in the comment section like what you want to suggest. You have any opinion regarding this video, please comment it in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel, so that you will receive all the informative videos and also interesting videos from my channel that I will be uploading in my channel. Okay guys, I hope that this video was very nice and interesting to watch. If so, please like the video, share the video and comment in the comment section. And please do not like the video, and please subscribe my channel, and also please click the bell icon to get all kinds of notifications from my channel. And I hope that this video was really good. Okay guys, meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care. Hope you enjoyed watching this song and this video also.